This is Pioneer's AVH-221EX. This is a tuned-in AM/FM, CD, and DVD receiver with a 6.2-inch touchscreen and built-in Bluetooth for both hands-free calling and wireless streaming audio. The Bluetooth system is designed to work with your Android phone and your iPhone. It can play back music and videos from a USB flash drive. There are 3 sets of RCA outputs for operating external amplifiers and a built-in 13-band graphic EQ. Let's take a look and see what's in the box. All right, just pop this open. And the first thing we get here is the wire harness. So we use the wire harness to make all of the electrical connections from the in-dash receiver over to the vehicle, and that would be things like power and ground and speakers, all of those types of connections. Next thing is we have some install screws here. There's a handful of install screws. All right. Next thing we have is the Bluetooth microphone. So the Bluetooth microphone here is for making hands-free Bluetooth phone calls, and it's typically installed up near the driver, up in the headline or something like that, and it comes on a wire about 10 feet long or so for very flexible installation. Next up, we have the USB extension. So the USB extension here is included because the USB port is on the back of this receiver, and we include a USB extension in the box so you can bring that USB port up into the passenger compartment of your vehicle. Next up, we have a wireless remote control. There's the wireless remote control included in the box. And let's see, we have the quick start guide. There's the quick start guide. And please note that you can download a complete owner's manual for this product right onto your phone in PDF form from pioneerelectronics.com. And last thing we have here is the warranty card. There's the warranty card, and let's get the receiver up out of here. There it is. The front panel of the AVH-221EX has the volume control right here. The home button is here. The system has multicolor illumination. The CD and DVD slot is across the top. You'll do most of your interaction with this in-dash receiver with the 6.2-inch touchscreen. We'll start off with the USB-A port right here. You can use this to play back music and movies from a USB flash drive. And remember, we include a USB extension in the box to bring the USB port up into the passenger compartment of your vehicle. The yellow port here is for video output. The brown jack here is the dedicated backup camera input, and it's designed for use with the optional ND-BC8 backup camera from Pioneer. This is the audio and video auxiliary input 3.5mm jack. And next, we have 3 sets of 2-volt RCA outputs for operating external amplifiers. They are set up as front, rear, and subwoofer output. The wire harness connected to the vehicle will plug in right here. The Pioneer AVH-221EX has a built-in amplifier that is designed to operate up to 4 speakers in your vehicle. The black jack on top here is to plug in the Bluetooth microphone included with the in-dash receiver for making hands-free Bluetooth phone calls. The one on the bottom is for operating your steering wheel controls through a third-party adapter. And finally, the AM/FM antenna from the vehicle will plug in right here. And that is Pioneer's AVH-221EX and what's in the box.